Morning, students. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 6. Now, let us start with 8.2. Question number 1. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. Here, one table is given. You have to complete this table with the help of these boxes. Okay? So, first of all, understand this box. What is this box? This one box is given and this box is divided into small units. Okay. Total how many small units are there? So that you can count very easily. You can count this boxes, number of boxes in one horizontal line. So here total 10 boxes are there. You can count. You can see in the textbook and you can count. And vertically also there are total 10 small units or boxes are there. Okay. So if you want the total number of units, then you can multiply them. 10 into 10. So it's 100. So total number of units in this one complete box is 100. Okay. This total number of units, total 100. Now, how to write these boxes? Let's see. First of all, you can choose this first vertical line because all these boxes are filled, shaded. Total 10 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 boxes are shaded out of 100. Okay, if you are going to consider this first vertical line, then you can say 10 shaded box out of this total 100 box. Okay, now you can see here this 0 0 cancel out, so it remains here 1 upon 10. So what is this 1 upon 10? That you can say 10th in the decimal number. So what is the conclusion? This vertical or horizontal line completely filled, if it is completely filled or shaded, then you can consider that as a 10th. Okay, 10th, not tens. Second one, here also 10 shaded out of 100. 0 0 cut, it remains 1 upon 10. So it's also 10. Now third one, third column vertical, count how many units are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 out of 100. So that is a 100th, you can say. Okay, 6 upon 100. Understood? Now let's see the table. Okay, here any ones given? No. So here you can write 0. How many tenths? 1 and 2 that we have calculated, we have counted. This is the first one and this is the second one. Two vertical column completely filled. So total number of tenths 2 and 100 6. Okay, so it becomes 0.26. Remember the table for the decimal numbers. There is a decimal point between ones and tenth. There is a decimal point between 1 and 10th. So this numbers 0, 2 and 6, that you can write here 0, 2 and 6. And you have to put the decimal point between 0 and 2. So here it's a decimal point. So what is the number? It's a 0.26. Now for the second one, you can consider the first box. How many shaded units are there? Total 100 units, total 100 small boxes. Out of 100, 100 are shaded. So you can write 100 out of 100. So 100 cut, here it remains 1. This one you can consider as a ones, okay, and we can say it's a ones. Now you can see here the second one. You can see first horizontal line, all 10 boxes are shaded. Second line, third, so here you can write 3 upon 10, 3/10, and fourth one, total 8 shaded boxes out of 100. So here in the table you can write how many ones? 1. 10th, 3 line, and 100th, 8. So how to write? 1, 3, 8. Write down all these numbers in a sequence, because here unit place values are in a sequence. So once, then after 10, then after 100. So you can write 1, 3 and 8 in a sequence. Now there is a decimal point between 1 and 3. So what is the number? 1.38. Same way you have to do for the third example, that is in homework. Question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Now it's very easy. Without calculation also you can give answer, and with the calculation also you can find out the answer. Let me first of all introduce that easy method. First of all, remember the place value table for the decimal numbers. First of all, check hundreds. Let's start with the ones, okay. Then after, to the left side there is a tens, it's a correct. Then after it's a hundreds. All these three are in a sequence. Before the ones there is a tenth, that is also correct. Then after it's a hundred, correct. Then thousands, correct. It means any column is not missing here. All are in a sequence. Now what you have to do? All these numbers you have to write in a sequence. Let's do for the first example. Okay, what are the numbers? 0, then after also 0, then 3, 2, 5 and 0. I have written the all these numbers. Let me write once again. These numbers I am going to write here as it is 0, 0, 3, 2, 5, 0. Okay. Now, this is the ones and this is the tenth. Where we have to put the decimal point? Remember the table between ones and tenths. It means you have to put the decimal point between 3 and 2. So what is the number? It's a 3.25. This zeros before 3 and after 5, no need to write because it is not significant. So what is the answer? 3.25. Same way directly you can give answer for the second one also. 102 point, because once between ones and tenth there is a decimal point you have to put. So you can say 102.630, 102.630. Here 0, no need to consider. 30.025. D and E, try yourself. But if you have to show any calculation, if it is of 2 marks or 3 marks, then you need to show the calculation. Then how to do it? Let's see. Hundreds. It means you have to multiply by 100. Tens, then multiply by 10. Ones, it means given number you have to multiply by 1. Tenth, given number multiply by 1 upon 10. Hundredth, multiply by 1 upon 100. And thousandth, multiplied by 1 upon 1000. First 0, it means 0 into 100, plus 0, it means 0 into 10, plus 3 into 1, plus 2 into 1 by 10, plus 5 into 1 upon 100, plus 0 into 1 upon 1000. Okay, so this is clear how it formed. 0 into 100, 0, 0 into 10, 0, 3 into 1, 3. Now this 2 into 1 upon 10. So first of all multiply the numerators. 2 into 1, 2. Denominator is 10. So 2 upon 10, it means 0.2. Here 5 upon 100 means 0.05, and 0 into 1 upon 1000, it means it's a 0. Now all the numbers you have to add. 3 plus 0.2 one below the other, you can write properly 0.05. Okay, you can add 3 plus 0 plus, from this side you have to start adding. First of all, here you can put 0 because any digit is not given. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 0 plus 0, 3. So it's a 3.25. Okay. Same way you can repeat this example, this method for all these examples. Okay. Okay. So from question number 3, we will start from the next video onwards. Thank you.